This setup shows the AHD rear and front cameras installed on the Lexion LX10S screen, delivering a clean and powerful camera system experience. The rear parking guidelines are carefully designed to match the original Lexus OEM-style look, so it feels factory-installed, not aftermarket. Many factory rear cameras suffer from outdated, low-resolution image quality that looks blurry and washed out on modern displays. By replacing the original rear camera with the Lexion AHD camera, the image becomes noticeably sharper, cleaner, and more detailed. When you shift into reverse, the rear camera activates. As soon as you shift back into drive, D, the system automatically switches to the front view. With a simple tap on the camera icon, you can instantly choose front or rear view and watch it in full screen mode anytime you want, not only when parking. The Lexion CarPlay screen reaches its full potential when paired with the camera system. This upgrade doesn't just add convenience, it modernizes your entire driving experience. Stop worrying about scraping your front bumper or lip. Upgrade both your front and rear cameras, and gain another set of eyes that protects your Lexus every time you drive.